Starting a landscaping business can be a rewarding and profitable venture for those with a passion for gardening, design, and outdoor beautification. This guide provides an overview of the essential steps involved in establishing a successful landscaping business, from planning and preparation to execution and growth strategies. Market research and business planning. Understanding the market. Before starting a landscaping business, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research. Understand the demand for landscaping services in your area, identify your target market, and analyze your competitors. This information will help you determine the feasibility of your business idea and shape your business strategy. Creating a business plan. A solid business plan is the foundation of any successful business. Your business plan should include 1. Executive summary, an overview of your business idea, goals, and mission statement. 2. Market analysis, insights from your market research. 3. Services offered, detailed description of the services you will provide, such as lawn care, garden design, hardscaping, and maintenance. 4. Marketing strategy, how you plan to attract and retain customers. 5. Financial projections, budget, pricing strategy, and revenue forecasts. 6. Operational plan, day-to-day operations, staffing needs, and equipment requirements. Legal considerations and licensing. Business structure. Choose a legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has different implications for liability, taxes, and administrative requirements. Licensing and permits. Check local regulations to determine the licenses and permits required for operating a landscaping business. These may include 1. General business license. 2. Landscaping contractor license. 3. Pesticide applicator license, if applicable. 4. Zoning permits. Setting up your business. Equipment and supplies. Invest in the necessary equipment and supplies to deliver high-quality landscaping services. Essential tools include 1. Lawn mowers and trimmers. 2. Leaf blowers. 3. Shovels and rakes. 4. Pruners and shears. 5. Safety gear. Consider both purchasing and leasing options based on your budget and long-term needs. Staffing. Depending on the size of your business, you may need to hire additional staff. Look for experienced landscapers, gardeners, and laborers who share your vision and commitment to quality. Providing training and fostering a positive work environment can help ensure high performance and job satisfaction. Office setup. Set up a home office or rent a commercial space for administrative tasks. Ensure you have the necessary office equipment, such as computers, phones, and accounting software to manage your business efficiently. Marketing your landscaping business. Building a brand. Create a strong brand identity that reflects the quality and professionalism of your services. Develop a memorable business name, logo, and slogan. Consistent branding across all marketing materials will help establish credibility and recognition. Online presence. A professional website is essential for showcasing your services, portfolio, and customer testimonials. Optimize your website for search engines, SEO, to attract potential customers. Additionally, utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to engage with your audience and share your work. Networking and referrals. Build relationships with local businesses, real estate agents, and home improvement stores to generate referrals. Attend community events, join local business associations, and participate in home and garden shows to increase your visibility. Financial management. Pricing your services. Set competitive prices for your services based on your costs, market rates, and the value you provide. Offer a range of packages and seasonal promotions to attract different customer segments. Budgeting and accounting. Maintain accurate financial records and develop a budgeting plan to manage your expenses and revenue. Consider hiring an accountant or using accounting software to streamline your financial management. Growth strategies. Expanding services. As your business grows, consider expanding your range of services to include landscape design, irrigation systems, or tree care. Diversifying your offerings can attract new customers and increase revenue streams. Customer loyalty programs. Implement loyalty programs and offer discounts to repeat customers. Excellent customer service and consistent quality work will help build long-term relationships and positive word of mouth. Continuous learning. Stay updated with industry trends, new technologies, and best practices by attending workshops, earning certifications, and joining professional associations. Continuous learning will help you stay competitive and provide the best possible service to your clients. Conclusion. Starting a landscaping business involves careful planning, dedication, and a passion for creating beautiful outdoor spaces. By following this guide, you can lay a strong foundation for your business and navigate the path to success. For some amazing landscaping ideas to inspire your new venture, check the link in the description.